How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to hide your ID color on your iPhone. That's right, how to hide your phone number when calling somebody else. So then, when you call somebody, they'll see this unknown caller or maybe no ID color. That's right, you'll be able to fully hide your phone number when calling anybody. So let me show you how you can do it because it's super simple. And the best part is this process works on any iPhone model running any iOS version and on any carrier in the world. All you have to do is open up your settings and scroll down quite a bit until you see phone. And right here we have show my caller ID. And I know this option doesn't show for everybody. Depending on your iPhone model or depending on your carrier, this option doesn't show up. But don't worry, because there is an alternative method. So if you don't see this option or if you have a problem here, I'm gonna show you the alternative method and it works for everyone. Okay, so I got you covered. Now, tap on show my caller ID. And then if you use more than one SIM, it'll show you the options. As you can see, I have the option for one SIM, but not for the other. But as I said, there is an alternative method, so stick around, okay? So tap here, and then wait for show my caller ID to load up, and then disable this option. And then that's it. As easy as that, when you call somebody, it won't show up. Let me show you. So I'm gonna open up my phone, and then I'm gonna call my office, which is this phone right here. Let it do its thing, let it ring. It'll take a second here. And then as you can see, no caller ID. So unknown, no caller ID. Even though this phone has my contact and everything, no problem. It's never gonna show your caller ID, okay? So that's very easy and done. But as I said, this option, it doesn't show up for everyone. So let me show you method number 2. So I'm gonna re-enable show my caller ID just to show you that even if it's on or even if you don't see it, no problem, okay? And then I'm actually gonna open up my phone once again. I'm gonna tap on my keypad and I'm actually gonna type in a code, a special code. And this is very important because depending on where you are in the world, the code may vary. If you are in the United States or Canada, the code is *67. And then you type in the number you wanna call. But if you are pretty much anywhere else in the world, it's #31#. And then you type the rest of the number normally. And if you are in the UK or Ireland, 141. And then you type in the rest, okay? So as I said, it'll vary on where you are in the world. Since I am in Brazil, I'm gonna go ahead and go for #31#, which as I said, this is the international code. It'll work for pretty much every country in the world apart from the US, Canada, the UK, and Ireland. So let me type in this phone number. I'm gonna do it manually right here, and I'm gonna show you that it works. So as you can see here, I've blurred the number, of course, but you can also see #31#, and you can see that the iPhone recognized as my office number, this phone right here that I just called a couple minutes ago. So let's go ahead and call, and of course it's gonna recognize as office. Great, a normal phone call as you can see. And then, as you can see right here, no caller ID. So same effect as we were seeing before. So I'm actually gonna just hang up this call and I'm gonna come back here, open up the settings, and you'll see that it's on. So show my caller ID, it's on, but because of the code, it worked and it hid my phone number. So then use those codes if you don't see the option here on your settings, and then you're good to go. And then that's literally it. That's how you hide your iPhone phone number, your caller ID on any iPhone. Super easy, for free. I love this method. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.